going to introduce you to our daily routine here. This is, I do it every day, and it always makes me laugh. This here is, you should know what, I think this here should be clear what this is. This right there. If you can take a good look at it, you know what that is. That is, and look at Bo's face, because he knows what it is. Look at that. He knows what that is. I'm going to get some. And here's our little daily routine. I say to Bo, I say treats. And he licks it off, and he gets it off the stick. He loves it. And then I say treats. He gets two. He gets in, he puts it in his face, and he just loves that. And then the third one is very special because it goes, hey Bo, because see, he knows what he's prepared. He knows what's happening right now. He knows what's going to happen right now, and he knows, but he's trying to prevent it. But I'm going to get it on his nose. And then he licks it off. And we do it every day, and it makes me laugh every day.